And welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing the Xpire airdrop listing date. For for the date of 21st September 2024, the Mexc Empire community is buzzing with the anticipation for the upcoming Xempire airdrop. While an exact date hasn't been pinned down, the event is expected to occur between late September and early October 2024. So make sure you clinch to your pen and paper. This timeline is strategically aligned with the token's planned listing on a cryptocurrency exchange, maximizing exposure and potential value for the participants. So that is what actually gonna happen. There is no listing date as of now, but it is expected to be launched in the late of September. It might be the last 5 days or the start of October, first 2 weeks of October. That's the date that is expected to be launched. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.